Get paid to do research on the internet right now using your phone, using your laptop, whatever devices that you have currently, you could do this. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm currently on vacation in Jamaica with my family. So I'm creating these videos and I don't post as many videos as I should because I'm going to be here for a while. I'm going to go back with the family shortly. So when you subscribe and become a part of it, you're going to see regular videos. You're going to see videos all the time on a consistent basis. So for my regulars, I know that you miss those videos every single day, but I'm on vacation. So when you're on vacation, hey, you can take as much time as you want. But I'm going to dive into this video for you and you could get paid to do research on the internet. Things that you're already doing. Maybe you're searching on Google, maybe you're searching on Yahoo or whatever it is. You're also going to get paid testing apps and different websites. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't try to skip ahead and try to jump cut because most of you, when you skip ahead, you miss out on the most important things. So make sure you watch the video, get a pen, get a paper, start writing things down. And if you're not a part of the family yet, I advise you to like, subscribe, become a part of it, and turn on that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. If you're not a part of the community, so you see what I'm doing, see this is a picture that I posted. But anyways, let's jump into the video. So get paid to do research, some free PayPal money. That's how you're going to get paid. If you don't have a PayPal account, you better create one. So you're going to define your audience and customize tests. This is what the clients are doing. I'm going to show you some great reviews from the particular website that I'm going to share with you. And I'm not going to share with you right now, but I'll tell you more about it. So if you look right here, people are saying the pros and the cons. It's easy, integration, great support team. They're a very helpful tool, efficient and easy. They use graphs and all that type of stuff. So for the cons, because I like to pull out the cons too. They never like the expenses, but it was reasonable price. So this is what people are saying for this particular website. Now, they have the quality of the pictures, minor errors present on the folders, little stuff. They have like a 4.9 out of 5 ratings. So I am recommending this because people are saying that this particular website that I'm going to share with you, they deserve right here a 10 out of 10. So people have been using this for 2 years. This person down here, they said that they've been using it for 1 to 2 years. They got a 4-star rating, so they got 8 out of 10. From that person. This person rated out of 10 out of 10. So you're going to be doing some research. You're going to test some new apps. You're going to test websites, hardwares, all that type of stuff. So you're going to complete tasks. You're going to give feedback. You're going to find bugs. These are the different things, and you can earn anywhere from like $10 to $20 for most of the tests, right? So 10 to 20 bucks every time you complete a test. These are the different companies that they work for. Xerox, Typeform, New York Times, Musically. And in order for you to work for this, you got to be at least 18 years and older. You have to be able to speak English fluently. That's one of the main things that they want. They want to make sure that you speak English fluently, right? So these are some of the things that they're looking for. So if you want to sign up, all you got to do is go to betatesting.com. And that's a great website. You can click on here where it says join as a beta tester. And then once you come over here, you put your email address in and you sign up. You can join the beta tester community. They're always looking for people. They always got new products, and you're going to get paid for your feedback and also do research on websites, different apps, and all that type of stuff. So that's how you're going to be making money. So it's 3 simple tasks that you're going to do. Of course, this is not something that you're going to quit your job and do this full time. You'll not make a ton of money doing that because it's not going to give you consistently tests over and over again. So you can sign up for this. You can make a little bit of money here. This is how you can make some extra money. But of course, it's not going to get you super rich where you're going to take vacations and do all that type of stuff. So that's how it works. I just want to share that with you. So as I said, they have great reviews. People are giving that there's a great service. So I always want to recommend to you great websites, so that way you can, you're safe, you're comfortable, and that way anything that I represent or I tell you about, and this is just my education of what I'm not affiliated with these type of websites, and this is just my opinion. Always do your research as well. Make sure you go into details and see exactly what you're going into before you even sign up for it. So once you sign up, you can start getting paid just to do research. You can get paid to test apps. You can get paid to do surveys, simple tasks, and that's how it works. That's how it works. So get paid to do research on the internet. Go to betatesting.com, and then once you sign up, you're gonna get paid just for doing that. So again, you're not gonna get super rich for doing that. So if you want to learn how I'm able to work from home whenever I want, in vacation, still making money. I wish I had my phone. I was going to show you the money that I cashed in today, and I didn't even go on the internet today. So that's the power of being able to do the things when you want, whenever you want, and with your family as well, and be able to use your laptop, use your phone to generate wealth. So if you guys are serious and you want to learn more about what I'm doing, check out the first link in the description. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video, and peace for now, and have a great day. One love.